Hi, I'm Jodi-Anne, a wellbeing educator and healing facilitator. I've channeled over 100 answers to questions about life. These have been recorded through automatic writing, answering a broad range of questions about life and how it works, and how we can be peaceful and happy. Today's topic is what to do when you feel broken. Join me as we explore this topic and go deep within to heal and find peace. So there can be days when you wake up and you feel broken, like it's all too hard. Sometimes these days will be rare and sometimes common. It just means you're in a process of change. Old muck is surfacing to be released, whether that be old pains, fears, doubts, disappointments, and hurts. When it occurs, it can feel like nothing's changing and life won't get any better. But it already is better. You're just releasing the old to see more clearly. Your life is okay as it is. It's your judgment of it that creates the pain. There may be things you'd like to have change, and this will occur in time. But if we dwell on what we don't have and we get upset, angry, or depressed about it, it doesn't help to resolve it in any way. What we need to do is feel and release any emotions, and then we can take the steps to change things to create what we actually want. Action is needed for change to manifest. Action on releasing your hurts, altering your thinking, and in changing your everyday habits and behaviours. If you always do what you've always done, is it surprising that you get the same outcome? Change is inevitable, and it comes in small or large ways. Sometimes we choose it, and sometimes it gets forced on us by life events. If you're feeling low, broken, sad, angry, or hurt, know that that's your body asking for your attention. It's asking for your help to clear out the old stuff and to refill your body with lighter energy, a higher vibration outcome for all concerned. If you're feeling so flat that you can't be bothered doing anything, the best thing you can do is to accept it and rest. Don't fight it. If you're feeling lost and confused, wait for clarity, pray for guidance, and meditate. There's no point trying to make a decision when you're confused. It's not the right time. Wait for clarity to dawn, then act. You can take baby steps towards improving your life, but in reality, your life is probably okay. And it's the way that you think about it or judge it that creates stress and anxiety. You might be in a job that you don't love, or you might feel alone, or that your friends don't treat you the way that you'd like to be treated. It helps to ask, are you treating yourself in the way that you want to be treated? Are you treating yourself kindly and lovingly? If not, then you're mirroring out to people that you can be treated badly. Work on yourself first. Work on self-love and acceptance. And when you can anchor that in and you can set clearer boundaries and be clear on what you will and won't accept, then you're going to see and experience more goodness in the world and you'll attract that in. If you're exhausted, recovering from illness or a disappointment in life, then of course you're going to feel flat. Try not to judge yourself or fight against it and resist it. You have no choice but to accept and honour that your body's needing rest. Your body's struggling and you're going to have to listen to it. Fighting against it will just result in burnout. If your body needs rest, then rest. If it needs nourishment, then eat some yummy, feel-good and hopefully healthy food. If you need some fun, have it, even if it's just reading a comic or watching TV or chatting to a friend on the phone. I know it's not easy when life isn't allowing you to do what you want to do, or you feel like your body's not capable of doing what you need to do, but sometimes you just need to rest. I had to go from full-time work to part-time work because my body was processing out stuck energies and emotional residue and traumas from the past. I simply had to honour what my body needed and stop fighting against that and pushing through it. Do what you need to do to let your vibration rise and for you to start to feel better. A bath, a walk on the beach or out in nature will help wonders. Soothing music, candles, aromatherapy, there's lots you can do to lift your mood simply and cheaply. It's not always going to feel like this. Your body is processing past hurts and issues that you might be remembering. They may be surfacing for you to see. You can help your body by doing body work such as massage, Reiki, acupuncture, and the methodology that I use predominantly now is a thing called TRE, tension and trauma release exercises. And this helps the body to release the stress, the tension and the trauma from past hurts and disappointments in life. It's a gentle process that allows the body to slowly discharge the buried energies, and it helps our nervous system to calm down and to balance back up. And when we are feeling more balanced and peaceful in our nervous system, then it's easier for us to socialise and interact with others. We actually look for contact because we feel safe, nourished, and want to be interacting with others. But when your nervous system is wound up tight, it's on edge, if you're expecting more hurt or disappointment, then of course it's hard to motivate yourself into action because internally your body's telling you it's too dangerous. You're better off to stay still. It's worth doing TRE or other body work that can help your nervous system to calm down, to lighten your load internally, and help you feel more peaceful and happy. TRE can be learnt in a few sessions. After that, you can use it on your own at home regularly whenever you want to help shift your energy and release that which no longer serves you so you can balance up. There are practitioners of TRE worldwide, including myself, who can help you to learn how to safely use it as a part of your self-empowerment toolkit for your healing journey. There are many other methods as well. That's just one that I've found particularly useful and powerful. If you're doubting yourself and your ability to achieve what it is that you want to do, don't wallow and get stuck. Find a way to build your skills. Take a course, read a book, watch some videos. Take action and you'll be moving forward and you'll start to feel better and better. There's always a way forward. We just have to take the action and do it step by step. Choose kindness to yourself and others, and know that there is support around you at all times, seen and not seen, physical and non-physical. So Spirit has told me that there are always beings of light watching over us, encouraging us, caring for us, and holding our hands from afar. And we can call on them for our support, for guidance, to hold us when we're upset. Your ancestors and others who have passed over are there available for you if you call out to them. And if you're psychically sensitive, you may actually feel their presence or see them or be able to hear them talking to you. There's lots of support out there in those other realms, but also here, whether that be through friends and family or whether it be through support helplines, government-assisted programs, there's lots available. Community centres, hobbies, there's lots of ways to find people to connect with. Reach out for help when you need it and give it when you're feeling better. Know that everyone has their ups and downs and it's just a phase. Try to choose peace. Try not to fight against it and just ease your way forward, gently, gently, helping yourself, your body in whatever way it needs. Thank you for watching this short video on what to do when you feel broken. I hope you found it interesting and insightful. It's my aim to empower people with the skills and knowledge to walk their healing journeys as gently and peacefully as possible. There are over 100 of these answers to questions about life available for free on the Life Insights page of my website. Please visit to learn more about the healing journey and ways to live peacefully and happily. There's a lot more videos and blogs in relation to healing methods that you can use to help and support yourself. Good luck in your journey. Have a great day. Bye.